Silence was his comfort zone. It was safe, it was easy, but it was also a prison. Every day he stayed silent, the walls grew thicker, until one day he realized that comfort was the enemy of his dreams. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for daily English confidence stories. There was a time when silence defined him. People knew him as the quiet one, the one who never participated, the one who always nodded but never spoke. In English classes, he understood everything. He could follow every lesson. He knew the answers to the questions. But when the teacher called on him, his voice disappeared. "I don't know," he would whisper, even when he knew. His friends spoke English with each other. They practiced together. They made mistakes and laughed. But he just listened, always listening, never speaking. Years passed like this. He graduated from school. He went to college. He got a job. But his silence followed him everywhere. At work, meetings were conducted in English. He had brilliant ideas, solutions to problems, but he never shared them. He stayed silent while others spoke, while others got promoted. One day, his manager announced a new project. "We need someone to lead this, someone who can communicate with our international clients in English." This was his dream project. He wanted it so badly, but he knew he couldn't do it, not with his silence, not with his fear. That night, he looked at himself in the mirror, really looked. He saw a man trapped, a man with potential but no voice, a man with dreams but no courage. He asked himself a hard question: how much longer will you hide? How many more opportunities will you miss? He didn't have an answer, but he knew one thing. He was tired. Tired of silence, tired of fear, tired of being invisible. Right there, he made a decision, a life-changing decision. He would break his silence. He would find his confidence. He would learn to speak English, no matter how hard, no matter how long. The next morning, he started. He woke up early. He stood in front of his mirror, and he spoke. "My name is... I have been silent for too long, but not anymore. Today, I begin my journey, from silence to confidence." Just 5 minutes, simple words, but spoken out loud. That was day 1. Day 2, he did it again, and day 3, and day 4. Every single morning, before work, before anything else, he spoke to himself. "Today I will be brave. I will practice. I will improve. I believe in myself." He also started reading English books out loud, just 10 minutes every evening, slowly, clearly, focusing on pronunciation. Then he discovered shadowing. He watched English speeches online. He repeated every sentence, matching the rhythm, the tone, the confidence. You are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself. His routine became morning, 10 minutes mirror speaking, evening, 10 minutes reading out loud, night, 15 minutes shadowing practice, every single day for 3 months. At first, nothing seemed to change. His voice still shook. His confidence was still low, but he didn't quit. He kept practicing, day after day. After 3 months, something shifted. He noticed he was thinking in English sometimes, not translating, just thinking directly in English. His pronunciation improved. His fluency grew. His confidence started building. Then one day at work, during a meeting, he did something he had never done before. He raised his hand. His heart was pounding, but he spoke. "I have an idea. What if we..." Everyone turned to look at him, surprised, because he never spoke in meetings. His voice was shaking. His English wasn't perfect, but he said his idea, completely, clearly. His manager smiled. "That's a great idea. Let's try it." That moment changed everything. The silence was broken. The fear was defeated. The confidence was born. 6 months later, he was leading that international project, speaking English with clients, giving presentations, living his dream. The journey from silence to confidence wasn't easy. It took time. It took practice. It took courage. But it was worth it. Every single day of practice, every moment of fear, every step forward. Today, he wants you to know something. Wherever you are in your English journey, however silent you feel right now, you can change. Your silence is not permanent. Your fear can be overcome. Your confidence can be built. But it starts with a decision. The decision to speak, even when you're afraid, even when your voice shakes, even when you make mistakes. Start today, right now. Stand in front of a mirror and speak one sentence in English. "I will not stay silent. I will find my confidence. I will speak English." Say it out loud. Mean it. Feel it. Tomorrow, do it again. And the next day, and the next. In 3 months, you will be different. Your voice will be stronger. Your confidence will be real. Remember, from silence to confidence is not a leap. It's a journey.
One word at a time, one sentence at a time, one day at a time. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu and begin your journey today, because silence might feel safe, but confidence feels powerful. Your voice is waiting. Your confidence is ready. Your future is calling. Break your silence, build your confidence, speak your truth. Start now.